Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken roast at home. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F and pat the chicken dry with paper towels. Rub the skin with oil and season under and over the skin with salt, pepper, and herbs. Let the bird rest at room temperature for 20 minutes to take the chill off before roasting for even cooking and crispy skin throughout. Start by drying the chicken thoroughly to ensure the skin crisps up in the oven. Gently separate skin from meat and smear softened butter with herbs directly under the skin for flavor and moisture. Season the cavity with lemon and garlic to aromatize the meat as it cooks. Truss or spatchcock, depending on your preference, to promote even cooking and a pleasing presentation at the table. Place the chicken on a rack in a roasting pan to allow hot air to circulate and crisp the skin all around. Roast at a high temperature initially to brown the skin, then reduce heat if the breast is cooking too fast. Insert a thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh without touching bone and remove at 161 degrees F. Carryover will bring it to a safe temperature while...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.